Let's go start a nature journal.
Yeah.
Hey, Aaron!
Look, we just finished our journal.
Oh.
Let's see it.
We did beaver tail.
Oh.
Wow.
Overall, good time. It was a little bit kidding,
Yeah, lots of crying children.
but we're gonna start nature journals now. Stay tuned.
Now come with us to go to a bird show. And then after that, come with us to go to Petco to buy a bird.
What?
Now, we humans want part of nature, believe it or not. Sometimes we forget that. For our actions weigh heavily on the health of our Well, I'd like to introduce you to Ata is a 36-year-old male bald eagle who was shot in the wild 34 years ago. Sadly, his left wing was so severely damaged it required removal just to save his life. Now, it's illegal to kill any bird of prey in the wild with serious penalties for anyone harming the bald eagle. Now, where does the bald eagle get its name? It's not obviously bald. Well, back when they were named, bald meant white-headed. As a youngster, they're all brownish in coloration. It takes them about 5 years to fully grow their white heads and tails. Now, many of you probably live near water around here, and if you do, there's a good chance you have some bald eagles hanging out there. That's because they love to eat fish, and water birds, and reptiles, and mammals, and sometimes even dead animals. But they're known for the incredible nests that they build. Some weigh well over
Come with us to go crane shopping.
We just finished at the bird show. It was pretty fun. The only part that was a little bit scary is whenever the vulture was flying right at us.
Right.
Chloe, where are we?
Cranes.
Which one are we buying?
I like that. That one.
Oh, okay.
I think cranes are my spirit bird.
First time seeing the cranes. How was it?
Pretty cool. Birds.
What would you say to people that want to be up and coming nature journalists and bird watchers?
If you're interested in that, I think it's really cool. I don't really know what you would journal from that though. We didn't get any feathers, so